Who here loves robocalls and spam calls as much as I do? Well, that may just change in the next 60 seconds. So what if I told you those annoying jabberjaws could just become your very own secret gold mine? Or at least up to $1,500 a pop. I'm JJ, your friendly neighbor. Okay, who am I kidding? I'm just a regular dude who figured out how to turn those annoyances into a payday. Now imagine this. Each time that robo lady calls you trying to sell you an extended car warranty, cha-ching! 1,500 smackaroos right into your bank account. Sounds like I'm pulling your leg, right? But nope, this isn't some wacky pipe dream. It's actually an official thing, backed by some big players. I'm talking organizations like the FCC and the TCPA. Yep, you heard that right. It's the United States government behind these laws, and they've got your back, to the tune of entitling all of us to $1,500 for every robocall and spam call. And guess who's here with a free course showing you exactly how to turn those bothersome bleeps into big bucks. That's right, it's the End Spam Alliance, aka the superheroes of the spam world. Except we don't have a cool car. Yet. This free course is like a GPS for your wallet, and it's going to lead you down the road to cash in on all those robocallers who had the audacity to interrupt your dinner. You're still here listening to me? What are you doing? Head over to endspam.org and start collecting from those pesky robocallers today. Click that shiny link below to claim your free course. And let's turn those robo rascals into our own personal ATMs.